Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket communication error. So if you're currently getting that exact same error and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself to be able to fix it quite quickly was that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into my settings app. So I went into my settings app right here. I scrolled down and I clicked on general in here. I'll scroll down again and I clicked on storage right here, as you can see. And then what you're going to do, unfortunately, you will need to wait probably a couple of seconds and here too, maybe a couple of minutes if you're really unlucky, because it's going to load like all the apps that you currently have on your phone. And when it's done, we can now scroll down in here, as you can see. Scroll down and find the Pokemon app in here. Sorry, here it is. And then I'm going to click on offload app. And then once again, I'm going to click on offload app in here, as you can see. Just going to take us a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. And what will happen now, as you can see, it says loading here on our app. And that means that our app is currently getting the absolute latest update, which we actually need to be able to fix this issue. So I did this myself. I went back and now my communication error was now fixed for me. If it's still for some reason it's not working, you can try like this. Scroll like this on your phone, enable your airplane mode and then quickly disable it afterwards and try again, because now you will get a stronger signal than you had before. So try this and hopefully now it works for you as well.